Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi, how about you?
Yes, good, thank you. We've arrived. Let's go. Oh, it's gorgeous already. Really, really nice. Hello, how are you? Thank you, thank you. Very good, thank you. I love how all the Sensatoris seem to be really neutral as you come in. Do you know what I mean? It's got the same vibe. Cheers. Happy holiday. So this is the lobby. Very, very gorgeous.
Used to be a YouTuber.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm not like a big YouTuber. I was doing intros for the YouTube channels.
Oh, amazing.
I hit 1,000 subscribers.
Oh, that's amazing.
Then I quit Chicago because of my school.
Oh, we're just heading to our room. Wonderful, thank you.
Thank you too.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
May I come in?
Yes, of course. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'll hold the door for you.
No, that's okay.
Look at this gorgeous food as well that they give you. I mean, I'm not going to say it just yet because maybe I'm like overwhelmed with emotion and the little, well, it's not little touches, it's huge touches actually, which I've seen so far. But I kind of see why people say this is like up a level to, you guys know who we love, but wow, this is incredible. This is incredible. First things first, before we go any further, let's do a room tour. You come in and I'll be honest guys, I'm blown away with the gorgeousness of this room. You've got coat hooks there, a nice full length mirror, when obviously your coats aren't there. You've got your wardrobes to the right, which, what's the space? Ah, okay. Lovely branded beach bag. You've got a shoehorn, shoe polish. Not sure what that is. You've got a safe. You've got obviously robes. You've got slippers, which is a really nice touch. Branded again. Lots of space, ironing board, lots of hangers, iron, more drawers. You then go left, and I really like, do you Ash, how open plan it all is?
Yeah.
I really like that. Nice mirror, beautiful mirror actually. Hairdryer, gorgeous sink. Shower gel, what's this, like nice marble worktop. They've got a sewing kit, a comb, cotton buds, a nice bath puff to wash yourself with, which is a nice touch. You don't have to bring your own. Obviously tissues. I'm noticing how everything as well is branded. Really love that, really love that. Amazing size shower here. You've obviously got the rainfall as well as obviously this one here. These are beautiful. I love the fact that they've got those full size in the shower as well. More hooks, which I think are for your towels. And then I think a really nice touch, the toilet area is actually separate from everything. So it's got a closing door here. A closing door. I thought it was a sliding door until I saw it. But yeah, I like the fact the toilet is separate from the shower and from the bedroom as well. You then enter the bedroom and you've got another mirror. Hey. Tea and coffee making facilities. I'm guessing this is mini bar. Is it stocked? Oh, yes, fully stocked mini bar. Drinks, water. Oh, that looks good. Cherry juice. Very nice. Very nice sized telly. Another mirror. Gorgeous, fresh white linen. Massive bed, which we love. Stay happy bathrobes, which is absolutely incredible. Still can't get over that. Seating area there. Lovely lighting. And I don't know if this happens every day, but on arrival, it seems, you've got nuts. Pistachios. Are they monkey nuts?
No, they're pistachios.
Oh, pistachios.
Macadamia nuts and almonds.
Ash knows his nuts. Snacks, is that baklava and all different kinds. Very tasty. Nice bowl of fruit, cutlery and plates, beautiful flower arrangement, and a bottle of wine as well, which is very nice.
More beautiful.
Oh, Wow, we'll show outside. Ooh. Ooh. That is what I'm talking about. Oh, that is stunning. Woo. Swim up room. And that is all you're getting for this video, guys. So make sure you come back for the rest of the series, because it's going to be amazing and I can't wait to show you more of this gorgeous hotel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm absolutely amazed by this place already. So yeah, make sure you come back in the next one. But until then, stay happy, stay positive. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.